Today I'll walk you through how to change your ClickUp password, whether you've forgotten it or you're simply updating it for better account security. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to ClickUp. If you're already logged in, great, you can head directly into your account settings. If you've forgotten your password entirely, ClickUp does offer a reset flow from the login page where you enter your email and receive a reset link. But for most people, the quickest route is to change it directly from inside your account, and that's exactly what we'll cover here. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar or your initials sitting there. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a small drop-down menu with options for managing your account. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you into your personal account settings, the place where you control everything related to your profile, notifications, and, importantly, your password. Now scroll down through the settings page until you locate the password section. It's usually clearly labeled something like Change Password. Once you find it, ClickUp will present you with a field to enter your new password. Depending on your version of ClickUp, you may also be asked to confirm the new password a second time. That's simply to make sure you didn't mistype it. Go ahead and type in your new password. A strong password is at least 12 characters long and blends uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a symbol or two. If you're changing it for security reasons, make sure the new one is meaningfully different from the old one, not just a single digit incremented. Once you've entered it, confirm and save your changes. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your ClickUp password, and your account is now secured with your new credentials. One quick tip, if you use a password manager, update it now so you're never locked out down the line. If this video helped you out, leave a like, drop a question in the comments if anything was unclear, and subscribe for more ClickUp tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.